Okay, you are welcome to this class. Today we shall also be looking at what number base, but in this class we shall be studying on how to add a number base using what number base system. Let's write it down. Number base system. You know, in the other class we discussed on how to convert numbers from base 10, from other base to base 10. And in second class we also discussed on how to convert numbers from base 10 to other base, right? So today we shall be looking at how to add up two numbers together in number base, two or more numbers in number base. Hopefully now, let's now pick an example and see how numbers can be added in number base. Are you following now? Let's pick one question and solve. Let's see how numbers can be added in number base. Let's pick one example here. We have let's say we have 4 so being given 4 7 7 7 base 8 plus plus 3 7 7 7 base 8. Hopefully now, this is now a question we are being given to they say we should add up these numbers in base 7, right? So the first you do here is this: come down, write it down just as if yes you want to do your normal addition. Okay, then put the plus this way, become 3 7 7 7. You go down, okay, with your base 8 all lie down here, right? Are you following now there's a new law or new pattern which I brought. Okay, so with this understanding, I believe you get a pure way of solving it is an expo. Okay, now see what you do now. Look at the top here now. Okay, look at the top here now. They said the highest number in a base 8 number is 7, and the lowest is 0. So what I'll do is this: since it's 8 now, I'll have to put up a minus 8 here. First of all, I'll first count how many numbers am I having here. I have 1 2 3 4, even if I have the same 4. Okay, now see what happens here now. I'll look at the top. The highest now is because up is 4 and down is 4. But notwithstanding, I have to look at the numbers. The highest one here is the same 4 here. So what I'll do is this: because I don't want the number to exceed 8 or to be above 8 or to be equal to 8 right now. Since I'm having only 4 lines here, I'll put minus 8 equal to something like this. Hopefully now, then they are up to 4 here, minus 8 equals something here like this. Put a minus 8 equals something here like this, and minus 8 equals to something. I know you may be wondering, why am I putting minus 8 equals to something here? Why? I will tell you. Reason being, I don't want any number here to be up to 8. Rather, I need only 7 or a number that's less than 8. Are you following now? Now see how it goes now. First of all, see what happens here now. I'll say, okay, 7 plus 7 is 14, right? I'll come down here and write the word 14 on the first page here, right? Then 14 minus 8 is 6, right? You write your 6 down here. Are you feeling now? Then this, you subtract it 1 times here. You subtract it once, right? Now I'll take that once which I subtract as a remainder of 1. You'll be asking, why is it remainder 1? Please just leave it that way. I think that's the method here, okay? So it's just 1 times I subtract. That's why I subtract 14 from 8, which gives me 6, which I've written here already. Okay, now, but I subtract it 1 times. If at all this one is more than 8 also, I'll still subtract it again. That's remainder 2. Okay, but in this case now, just once I'm doing this subtracting now. That's why I have just 1 remainder here now. I'll come down to the next stage here now. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus this one here is 15, right? I'll come down and write 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7, right? Put down my 7 here. How many times did I subtract it? 1 times. Are you following now? So this one becomes my remainder again. Are you following now? I'll come down again. 7 plus 7 is what? Is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 again. 15 minus 8 is 7, right? Put down my 7 here. Remainder of 1. Are we together now? Now we'll come down to the next one now. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 plus 1 is what? 8, right? See now, it's 8 now. 8 minus 8 is what? 0, right? Remainder of 1, right? Put the 0 here. Then there's nothing to add up again. Then you bring down your remainder down to this place now. This is what, how your answer will look like. Do you understand? Are you okay with this pattern? I believe you are okay. This is just the best way to what? Add up what? Number base. You get that now? Don't worry. We'll pick other examples and we'll solve. Are we ready now? Let's what? Pick one more example and solve, okay? Let's pick the example that has what? That has numbers that exceeds, maybe the subtracting exceeds what once, okay? So that let's see how the remainder goes. Okay, let's assume we have 5, 8, 3, 8 plus, yes, we have base 8, base 9, please, base 9 is okay, base 9 plus 6, 7, 3, 8, base 8, base 9, base 9. Let's assume we have plus 7, 4, 6, 8, 5, base 9, right? Are we together now? Now this is another question given to us now, all in base 9. As I told you earlier, I said every number in base 9, the highest number in base 9 must not be what? Must not be up to 9. It must be what? Below 9, which is what? It must be what? 7. It must be what? 8, sorry. So in this case now, see what we have been given. They say what we should what? Add up these 3 numbers to what? Base 9. What you do is this: you bring the bigger one first, which is what? 7, 4, 6, 8, 5, right? Plus, right? You now bring the next ones now. 8, right? 8, 3, 7, and what? 6, right? The last one is what? 8, 3, 8, and what? 5, right? Add up all of this now, all in base what? 8, right? All in base 9. Are we together now? And let's see how it goes. Before then, now I've given you what? A sample on how to what? Calculate such kind of problem. Now the first year you count which one is the highest. Now 5 is the highest, right? You now come 6 is base 9, and you put as usual minus what? 9 equal to, right? Minus 9 equal to, right? Minus what? Minus 9 equal to, right? Minus 9 equal to, right? And minus what? 9 equals to. Do you get that now? So the highest number is what? The highest is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I'm bringing what? In 5 minus 9 to be equal to. Are you getting that now? Now let's now see how it goes now. 5 plus 8, sorry, 8 plus 8 is not 16. 16 plus 5 is not 21. Now you come down here, put your 21. Sorry, 21 here, right? 21 minus 9. It's not 2 minus 9 is 12, right? Right? Okay, now remainder of 1, right? And this 12 is still above 9, so we have to break it down so that it must be below what? 9. So that's why I'm putting what? A minus 9 also again. Okay, which gives me what? 3, right? That means my remainder is what? 2, right? Rather my 3 here now. Do you get what I'm doing here now? You can see that it was 2 times I subtracted. That's why I have what? 2 remainder here. First one here, and the second one, the other place you're seeing, right? Let's now come down to the next one now. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. 11 plus 3 is what? 14. 14 plus the remainder we have here, which is 2 here. C1 here, C1 here. We have what? 16, right? Therefore, 16 minus 9 is 7, right? Just one remainder. So is this 7 up to 9? No. So therefore, just bring out your 7 here now. Are we together now? And let's move down to the next one again. 6 plus 7 is what? 15. Sorry, is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus the remainder we have here, we have what? 22, right? 22. Following now. 22 minus 9 is 13. Are we there now? 13. Is 13 up to 9? Is even more than remainder 1, right? Is even what? Up is even more than 9. You have to break it down to what? Break it down with the same 9 again. Okay, then 13 minus 9 is what? 4, right? 2 remainder now. We have 4 here. 4 here with what? 2 remainder. Are we there now? Come down to what? The fourth one. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is what? 15. 15 plus 2, which is this 2 remainder, is what? Is 17, right? Then 17 minus 9 is not 8, just 1 times. So, and this 8 is not what? Up to 9, right? So therefore we can write this 8 now, just 1 times. Therefore 7 plus nothing is 7, plus that remainder 1 is what? 8. So it's not up to 9, right? Just put on your 8 here, and this ends your answer, and that's all. You cancel this one off because it's not useful again. Please, is this thing impactful? Is this idea okay for you? I think it should be okay for you. I think it should be very, very okay now. Let's now see what if we are being asked to use numbers to represent